Here I have Oppo A78 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the additional settings, then go to the accessibility section, and then to the vision. Here you can find Talkback, here you can enable it. After that, Talkback tutorial starts.
Welcome to Talkback. Welcome to Talkback, page 1 of 5. Talkback is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. You can turn Talkback on or off by holding both volume keys for several seconds. When Talkback is on, the focused item on the screen is spoken out loud. Swiping right will move to the next item, and swiping left will move to the previous item.
Okay, so basically, how it was told before, Talkback is a mode made primarily for people with blindness or some other vision problems who have difficulty seeing the screen, and it works the way that it speaks out loud text which you tap on the screen. For example, I tap close and it says me
Close button. Double tap to activate.
And to perform any action in Talkback mode, you have to firstly select it, like I just selected close button, and then double tap anywhere on the screen to confirm it, just like this. You double tap, close, double tap. For example, if you want to disable Talkback, you tap to double tap, stop, double tap, and that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.